Follow these basic steps to set up any Gunther drilling system. For the TBH Pro, be sure to grease the water pipe before use. Install the counterpost into the magnetic base. Hand tighten first, then use a small wrench to snug it gently. Avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the threads. Now install the drill bit and ejector needle. Ensure the bit and counterpost are the same diameter. Hand tighten first, then gently snug with a small wrench. Avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping. Next, align the drill bit and counterpost by gently tapping the magnetic base into position using a plastic mallet. Avoid metal tools. They'll stick to the magnet. Run your fingers across the gap to check for alignment. You shouldn't feel any overhanging edges. Inspect the counterpost for any sharp edges. These can form if the drill bit contacts it. If you find any, use a metal file to smooth them out. Turn on the water supply and use a sharpening stone to dress the diamond core drill bit. This exposes fresh diamonds for cleaner, more efficient drilling. You are now ready to drill